Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a very simple, easy chicken mayo sandwich which is loved by people of all ages. You can serve this as an evening snack or even a healthy option for your kids' lunchbox. We'll begin by boiling a chicken breast, or you can use boneless chicken pieces for this. We'll boil it with some salt and pepper. When you boil, if any white scum collects on the top, you need to remove it and discard it. We'll cook this chicken for about 5 minutes till it is cooked completely. In the meantime, we'll take some lettuce and we'll thinly chop it like this and further chop it to make it into small pieces. In a bowl, take some mayo, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and then add chopped green chili, that is optional, and we'll add in the chopped lettuce leaves. You can add that about 2 to 3 tablespoons and a tablespoon of carrot. There are no fixed measurements for this. And the chicken breast that we had cooked, this is how you do it. We'll beat it with anything that you have, a ladle or a meat beater or something like that, and you can just shred it with a fork. This is as simple as this, and this is the most laborious part of the shredded chicken, and I've showed you a very easy method for this. Boil it, beat it with something, and just shred it. So now we'll add in the shredded chicken to this mayo mixture. This method hardly takes a minute to do, and so that's why the sandwich gets done really fast. And I've added some salt and some pepper according to taste. Just sprinkle a few pinches, and now we'll start spreading this mixture onto a bread slice. You can use brown bread for this, that is more health, it's a more healthier option. You can also make this using a white bread also. So we'll add a spoonful of this mixture onto the bread slice, and we'll cover it with another slice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Do try this, make it for your children and your family, and definitely try this for this Ramzan, because I'm sure you all are gonna love this recipe. So now we'll just cut these sandwiches into two and serve it with your favorite salad or chips. I would prefer serving this with a salad. You can even use the same mayo mixture that you have used to serve it on the side on a bed of lettuce. This is so simple, and it hardly takes about 5 minutes to put this together. Please do try this and let me know in the comment section if you liked it.